भारती सिंह का डिवोर्स होते होते बच गया इस एक सही रियल एस्टेट डिसीजन की वजह से। गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, मैं नवरत्न हूँ। मैं टोरंटो और दुबई में रियल एस्टेट बेचता हूँ और आज मैं बात करूँगा कि रियल एस्टेट ट्रांजैक्शन और लेना कैसे आपकी फैमिली लाइफ को बैलेंस कर सकता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ भारतीज एग्जाम्पल, जिसने अपनी सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी रेंट पे ली है सेम बिल्डिंग में जहाँ पे वो अभी रहती है। एंड उसने ऐसा क्यों करा, ऐसा आपको क्यों करना चाहिए, ये हम इस वीडियो में एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। कुछ फैक्ट्स: अराउंड 80% ऑफ द वुमेन फाइल फॉर द डिवोर्सेस व्हेन देयर बेबीज अराउंड 1 to 3 years, एंड रीज़न है कॉन्स्टेंट केओस, कॉन्स्टेंट सेंसरी ओवरलोड, नॉन कॉपरेशन फ्रॉम द हस्बैंड्स एट्सेट्रा। एंड approximately 80 to 90% of the extramarital affairs by men are historically done within the same time period. So ये टाइम पीरियड जिसमें आपका बेबी 1 to 3 years का है, इसमें देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ सेंसरी ओवरलोड। अगर आप इंडिया जैसी कंट्री में भी रहते हो जहाँ पे नानीज़ हैं, जहाँ पे बहुत सारी फैसिलिटीज़ हैं, वहाँ पे भी यू विल रियलाइज दैट there are a lot of fights between husband and wife because of the sensory overload, because you have to manage nannies, you have to manage the child no matter what. Like आपके दादा दादी हैं, कोई भी है, you still have to manage the child. And men specifically feel that their career is hit very badly because होता क्या है कि they have to go to work in the morning and then रात को the baby is crying, the mother is also not in a good mental space, so that affects the professional life of men and women both, and that also affects the quality of the relationship that men and women have. अब इसी वजह से a lot of people like Bharti Singh are actually going for secondary home. What I mean by that is, if for example you live in Delhi or Punjab and you have a big house, you can construct a small functional room, bathroom and kitchen combination. The moment you want to work, you can just come to that section of the home. You won't see baby crying, you won't see the chaos, there won't be nannies running around. And if you don't have enough space to construct such spaces within your home, आप अपना साथ वाली बिल्डिंग्स में, जैसे आप अपार्टमेंट्स में रहते हो या सेम बिल्डिंग में, एक स्मॉलर अपार्टमेंट यूनिट रेंट कर सकते हो, परचेज कर सकते हो. And this particular thing has worked out for wonders for a lot of Hollywood celebrities and a lot of Bollywood celebrities, जिनके लिए काम करना is mandatory because the shelf life for these celebrities are pretty less. So this is what Bharti Singh did, and I personally think this is an amazing real estate transaction. This is an amazing way to utilize real estate to bring peace, mental clarity, and efficiency within your relationship as well as your professional life. So I love the decision and I would love to know कि आप क्या सोचते हैं इस particular decision के बारे में. What are your thoughts, specifically if you're new parents or somebody who's wanting to be a parent in the next 2 to 3 years or something of that sort. And this particular video is just for people who have a high financial capacity. I'm not this channel never talks to people who cannot afford real estate. So that being said, I would love to know your views on this particular topic, and I would love to also know, do you want me to make more videos on how real estate can affect your personal life, just like in this case. So please subscribe me for more content like this, and hope to see you soon in my DMs for the real estate transaction. I sell to buy real estate. You can look out my work.